Hello, my people, and welcome back to Womiba Finance channel. Today, I'll be telling you something so new and so easy. Do you know, in some beautiful country, the easiest country that give passport that is in top 10 visa ranking, this country is not, we're not talking about Canada here, we're not talking about United Kingdom, we're talking about the most beautiful country on earth. So, we are talking about New Zealand, and New Zealand has opened a new accredited employer work visa. You know, this visa is for if you're a caregiver, if you're a nurse, a medical doctor, okay, let me quickly say this before I forget it. If you're a medical doctor, this visa don't require you to take all these international exams they take before you migrate maybe to somewhere like United Kingdom or thereabout, but this country will help you. So far the checks and balances are done on you that you are a qualified medical doctor. This country will bring you in and start teaching you and start settling you to start working with them. So for people that did caregiver jobs or that want caregivers jobs, this visa is so for you. So a beautiful lady here got caregivers under this accredited employer work visa. So this visa as well wants some restaurant workers, because companies are struggling. Remote worker industry took many people out of this kind of jobs. So many people are so struggling to fill the roles in their company. So if you're a chef, a restaurant worker, you're a chef, a sous chef, kitchen porter, this job is for you. So please, if you want to go to New Zealand from now, it's where they hosted Women World Cup. You can see the environment. If you want to go and see that place, hey God, the last Women World Cup, that is the country I'm talking about. You want to go and feel the way that place is. So here is your way to go. And the process time by the government is 10 working days. So we are looking at, although I read some reviews that said, somebody said before her own visa came out, it took 19 days. The second person told me 16 days. So, there are many issues, around the area, but the government website said 10 working days. So let's work on what the government website said and still have it in mind to say that there might be some hurdles before it will be decided upon. So, or any decision taken on your visa. So you might have it at your mind that it might take from 1 day till 20 days, although the government website said 10 working days. So because we don't know the backlog people on ground are having, or the issues they are having, why the visas are delayed. So now let us go into what is the real deal. The real deal is, if you are a caregiver, medical doctor, nurses, chef, restaurant worker, kitchen porter, or anything that radiographer and all that, physiotherapist or all that, please sit back in your chair and wait for me, and I will be right back to tell you what you need for this visa. And they are so simple. Hello, we are back. So number one requirement, let's straight go into it, because people say that we waste their time. We don't want to be wasting their time, because they are smart and intelligent people. They should make use of their time where it is needed. So number one requirement is your international valid passport, of course. Number two is character. You must be of good character, which is references. You have to get 2 references from your employer or your lecturer or anybody that you have worked under. Then number 3 is health. New Zealand asks about 3 things that other people are not asking. The acts of character, the acts of health, and the acts of occupational registrations. So these are the things like UK don't ask you whether you're healthy or not. Oh, no, they are not asking you. But it's only New Zealand that I have seen that asks about character, health, because this is a job, obviously. You need to be healthy to come and do it. So you have to put a statement from your doctor or family doctor that you are healthy. Remember, the character reference is from your lecturer. People that you have worked for have to say that you are a good, you come to work early, you do your assignments, you don't give them trouble, you are to be trusted, you have, you are a man or a woman of integrity. All these things are what they have to capture in your letter of reference of your character. Then genuine intentions. This is now from you, statement of intention. So you have to be telling them why you need to come to New Zealand and do this work, with this visa, and why you are the best person and what makes you a qualified worker on this role. So remember, you have to prove to people that you are the right person they are looking for. So the New Zealand job offer, then the availability from your employer, he will now do that, is not of you to do. Then your qualifications. When you're going for your visa interview, you have to go with your qualifications and all that. Then occupational registrations, like I have said. New Zealand want you to register, like people are nursing, they know. I don't know how people that work in restaurants have to prove this thing. If I tell you that I know, I'm lying, because I know, okay, I don't know about other countries. I don't know whether people that work in the kitchen or the chef have association in Nigeria. I don't know. Or cook or kitchen potters. I don't know. I've not heard of it. So if they have any registration. So this thing is what I asked the nurse, but the people I'm asking are people that are on the healthcare system. Healthcare system, they have all that. Like if the person is an engineer, then you can now start talking about current people that register in current, which is an engineering association, something when you graduate. So this is the ones. If you're a cook, chef, I don't know how to help you in this one. If I know, I will ask other people in this business, whether they know how people, because restaurant workers are even number 2 on the list. So cook, chef, kitchen potters and all that, but they don't have registration. But the requirements, your visa state that you have to have occupational registration. So I don't know whether there's an organization that chef have to register before they can practice. So if you know, please say in the comment section your country or your state, if you're from Nigeria, where you registered as a chef or cook, or your kitchen potter, because I've not heard of it. I'm being honest here. So these are the requirements for this visa, and this is the easiest visa in. And you will ask, what are the international job recruitment firms recruiting for roles in these sectors? And the lists are in this screen. So as you are seeing it in this screen, please subscribe, share in your social media platform, and please tell your family members, your wife or your husband, your mother or your father, and your colleagues, your mates, your peer groups, and your associates about Womiba Finance Channel. And this is a quick video for me, and I would like to tell you to see you in the next video, because we will be right back with another interesting